Here on the Wix dashboard, you want to go on your left side of your screen, and then you want to click on settings right here. Just click on it. On settings, you want to scroll down until you find general, and then on general, you want to click on business info. On business info, you can just scroll down a bit until you find this location and contact info, where you can add your business location. And then also, if you have a multiple location of your business, just click right here on add a second location, and so on. So right here, at the location on address, you can just search on your own business name. So for example, if I search for Starbucks and then click on the random Starbucks, and as you can see, all the blank section was filled in automatically. And then it will also add the map of your business location. You can also fill all the blank section manually by clicking right here on the country, city, street name, and so on. And then to remove it, you can just delete any info about your business location by block on the text and then hit on delete. There you go. And then if you scroll down again, you can just find on contact info, where you can type in your email, your phone number, and then your fax email. And then after you add business location or contact info, don't forget to click on save at the bottom right or top right of your screen, and you are good to go. So from now, people will see your business location and contact info on their invoices if you buy something from your website or when chatting on your website platform, and so on. It will also make easier for you to add a business location and contact info on your own website, so you don't have to add them and type in manually every time you need to fill in your business location and contact info when you're editing your website. And one more thing, to remove the contact info, you can also delete the email, the phone number, or fax that you ever submit before. And then don't forget to click on save. And that's how to add, change, or remove business location and contact info on Wix. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.